Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jules and I do review Tesla accessories. And today's sponsor is EVBase. So today we're gonna install this. We're gonna unbox it first. It's a front lip bumper for my Model Y. So we're gonna be putting it underneath the hood, the front. And first off, we're gonna unbox this one. I'm gonna show you how to install, what tools we're gonna be using, and how it looks. I'll show you before and after. Again, thank you EVBase for sending this, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. All right, let's see what we've got here. So I will put a link down below so you can check the available options that you have. I chose the carbon fiber finish because my side mirror right there is carbon fiber so that it will match. So this is the finish. And I think they also have the black matte finish. So it comes with, let's see how many pieces, and I think we will have to install this one or assemble. So we have 4 pieces and a bunch of screws. So these screws will be screwed underneath the bumper. EVBase is a leading EV and Tesla accessory store. And for this particular item, the code is TAA 387. And this is the front bumper lip spoiler Sporty F Style. So there are several styles available for your Model Y, and you can download the installation manual, or you can click the QR code and it will give you some instruction on how to install it. So there are 4 pieces and these are the instructions. Also, if you order online using my code JULES2025, you will get 18% discount. So check out what available finish they have. They have matte, carbon fiber, and the glossy. Okay, so this is the particular model for this spoiler that I am going to install. So let's go ahead and continue and proceed with our installation. Okay guys, you can take a picture of this QR code so you can download that instruction manual on how to install this. And first thing we need to do is to assemble these pieces together. These are labeled number 1, number 2, and number 5. So just put them using the screws that comes with the product. So first I did align it first, use a manual screwdriver, and then I finished it with a power drill. So I use a power drill to make it secure and put it together both sides. So that again, this is labeled number 1, number 2, and number 5. So once you have put those pieces together, since I'm doing this by myself, if I find it helpful to use some tape, and I happen to have a painter's tape, so I just paint the other side, the left side first, and then I did it on the other side, the middle, and making sure that it is aligned before I screw the item underneath the car. If you have somebody who can help you, that would be better. They can hold it for you, and then you can, once you find it aligned, then you can then start screwing. No pun intended. So here it's aligned. I'm satisfied with it. I also put the piece number 3 to make sure that it looks good before I start putting the screws underneath it. So I started to put the screw on this side. So after I use the power drill, I use a manual screwdriver to finish the torque because I don't want to over torque. Then I remove the tape. Then I proceeded to the other side, and now I'm attaching item number 3. This is the one located in the middle, and again I use some tape, and then I use the power drill to secure the screw, and after it's secured, I tighten it manually. After you put all the 4 pieces together, you still have some screws left. So these are the holes where you can put the rest of the screw. This helps secure the product underneath the car and also make it sturdy. So use the rest of the screw and put it on these holes. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing for my next video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.